and then you can proceed and start working towards. The process of approval, they're gonna send you, 2 to 6 days after they review your application. Also, then you have to link your original TikTok account. Like I mentioned, there is a split in between, so you will be able to get verified and start showing the content during your live streams. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard AI to make your market research, to select products that you're going to sell, and to create a business plan for your either e-commerce store or dropshipping business. Okay, first thing I want you to go ahead, create an account and log in into Google Bard AI. When you come over here, you want to make sure that you give Google Bard AI most detailed and precise questions and prompts. Okay, so you will get the better answers. First thing you want to say, I am looking to start an e-commerce store. Okay, focused on dropshipping. Please help me research popular niches and products that are currently popular in the Google search, and also help me create a business plan. That's it. Let's see. We gave a pretty detailed prompt. Usually Bard AI is doing fantastic job, guys. Usually it's doing much better job than ChatGPT and even the Copilot of Microsoft in comparison. Let's see. Hot niches over here, guys, for dropshipping in 2024 for free.